In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Shopify apps. Whether you're just starting out on your e-commerce journey or looking to enhance your store with some powerful features, understanding how to add apps to your Shopify site is essential. Apps can provide functionalities like improving your store's SEO, adding customer reviews, or even managing inventory efficiently. So let's get started and walk through the process of installing these invaluable tools. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Shopify account. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the home page of your store's admin area. This is your central hub for managing your store, and it's where you'll begin the process of adding new apps. Next, take a look at the left-hand navigation menu. Here you'll find various options to manage different aspects of your store. What you're looking for is the Apps section. Click on it to proceed. This section is dedicated to managing the applications you have installed or wish to install on your site. Within the Apps section, you'll notice an option to Add Apps. Click on Add, which will direct you to the Shopify App Store. Think of the Shopify App Store as a treasure trove of tools designed to enhance your online store's functionality. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, you will see a variety of apps categorized for easy browsing. You can use the search bar at the top if you have a specific app in mind, or you can explore different categories to find apps that might benefit your store. When you find an app that piques your interest, click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can learn more about what it offers, read user reviews, and check out pricing information. Now, if you've decided that the app is right for you, it's time to proceed with the installation. You'll see an Install button on the app page. Click on it, and a new window will pop up, asking you to confirm the installation. This process ensures you're granting the app the necessary permissions to run within your store. After you've reviewed the permissions and are satisfied, click Install again to confirm. This step finalizes the integration of the app into your store's backend, allowing you to start using it. Congrats! You've successfully installed a Shopify app. Take a moment to explore the app settings and customize them according to your store's needs. Keep in mind that the way applications integrate can vary, so take the time to refer to any guidelines or support provided by the app's developers. By following these steps, adding powerful tools to your Shopify store can become a seamless process that contributes to your store's success. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!